Tower of God is highly overrated and has some undeserving hype. To those people, I can say that you are correct and wrong at the same time. But before moving, let me introduce myself. I am the Freaky Artist and I am not a professional, I am just talking as a viewer. And today I am going to answer the question, is Tower of God overrated? But first, let's get the elephant out of the room. Yes, Tower of God is overhyped. And wait a second, I am saying this because if it was 2019, then I think, I am not sure, but it's my judgment that Tower of God will have gone unnoticed. But now, as the new shows have stopped coming, TOG, which means Tower of God, is like throwing a pin in the utter silence, which just breaks the silence by a woo. Okay, now let's start the main portion of this video, and that is no. Tower of God is not overrated and it is really good. It deserves all the hype it has. And I think I fall in this category more because I really love the first goddamn 11 episodes of this beautiful anime. And I don't know why, but some people say Tower of God's animation and art style is shit. They must die. And to be fair, I disagree completely. Actually, it is the artist's personal choice, like Mob Psycho's 100 design. The art style was not very good, but this made the animation fluent. And this point is copied from any news, and you must subscribe him. Now, first of all, I really like the motivation of Bam, the main character of the story. It is not that typical romantic story where a hero falls at love at the first sight and he becomes ready for anything. Goddamn, no. Before moving, we must understand the summary of TOG. Bam and Rachel are living under the tower, and one day Rachel decides that she will climb the tower, which is really special and is surrounded by magical things, and then one wish of her will be fulfilled because who reaches the tower first, they gets their any wish fulfilled. But Bam does not want her to leave him, as the tower is filled with dangerous traps and challenges. But Rachel goes, and this let Bam go after her. Now to proceed in the story, please go and watch it yourself because I can't explain it all. It is just so much complex. So why I am saying the motivation are different? Because in this anime, we are shown that Bam has forgot all his past and only he remembers the memories with Rachel. So we can say that he only has her and she is really truly important and she is the only one who has loved him. The next point is character development, and my god, the character development, the characters in this anime, they can be compared to HXH, which means Hunter x Hunter. Man, the characters are complex, they have their own motivation, and it easily has one of the best characters in any anime I have seen, and that includes Naruto, Dragon Ball Z, and anything you can fucking imagine. The characters of TOG, like Bam, is really well written, but the side characters are very, very well written. I think some are more well written than Bam, like Khan, because they have their own story and own struggle, which grips the viewers to the end, and it is actually the best point of this show, no doubt, no question. And if somebody has, please leave this goddamn video. The next and final reason is that it is the first manhwa to be transformed into an anime, and if it becomes successful, then other great stories will also have a chance to be transformed. Okay, I think I ranted in between, so sorry if somebody is hurt and he disagrees with my opinion. But man, I just love TOG. It is just so good. How can someone say it is overhyped when it is really that much good? I think it is better than Hunter x Hunter. And I know most of the people will disagree, but it is just a personal opinion, and if you disagree, completely fine, boys. It is not a big issue. Okay, if you liked it, thank you if you liked it. I don't know why you liked it, but if you liked it, then like the video. If you can, then subscribe the channel, and if you want to take it a step further and have friends, share the video with them, boys. And I will see you in the next video. Till then,